Stop. Don't you dare scroll. You've been running from the truth your entire life, but right now, you've found it. If you leave this video, you go back to being average. But if you stay, you're going to hear words that will rip the weakness out of your chest and replace it with discipline. So stay. Don't blink. Don't quit. Most people don't fail because they're not capable. They fail because they refuse to stay long enough in the fight. They start a diet, they quit. They start a workout plan, they quit. They say they want success, but the moment it hurts, they vanish. Maybe that's been you, quitting when it gets uncomfortable. And if you're honest, you've built a life on running away instead of pushing through. But listen carefully. There's no way around pain. There's only through it. And the more you avoid it, the weaker you get. Right now, your mind is screaming, "Click off, this is too intense, watch something easier." That's the same voice that has been sabotaging your entire life. And here's the truth. If you can't finish this video, you won't finish your goals. If you can't sit still for 10 minutes, you'll never have the discipline to grind for 10 years. So this is your test. Stay here. Prove to yourself right now that you can fight the urge to quit. If you can endure this, you can endure life. Motivation is a liar. It shows up when it feels good, but it abandons you when life gets hard. Discipline is different. Discipline doesn't ask how you feel. Discipline says, get up, do it anyway. That alarm rings, you get up. That workout hurts, you keep moving. That project feels impossible, you finish it anyway. Most people negotiate with their weakness. They say, I'll do it tomorrow. And tomorrow turns into next week. Next week turns into next year. And suddenly they're 40 years old, wondering where their life went. But not you. Not anymore. You're here to kill negotiation, to kill excuses, to kill the weak version of yourself. Suffering is not punishment, it's preparation. Every time you suffer, you're building a mind that cannot be broken. That's what separates the strong from the weak. When life hits you, and it will, you'll either fold or you'll fight. If you've been running from pain, you'll fold every time. But if you've trained your mind to endure, you'll stand up. Again and again. This is why you stay. This is why you finish. Because if you can't take pain here, in this moment, you'll never take it when it matters. When this video ends, don't pat yourself on the back just for watching. That's not enough. You need to act. The second this video ends, do something hard. Run in the dark. Do push-ups until your arms give out. Study until your brain hurts. Build the discipline muscle. Remember, nobody respects words. They respect results. Nobody cares what you said you were going to do. They care about what you actually did. So stay until the last second. Prove to yourself that you're not the same person who quits everything. Then go out there and build a life that cannot be broken. Goggins grind. Stay hard. No excuses.